This is our hot-selling 10 kilograms granulating machine. Applied to produce various metal grains, such as gold, silver, etc. Turns metal into uniform, high-purity granules effortlessly. With control panel, easy to operate. With inert gas protection system, minimize the oxidation in the process of melting. Applied with the intermediate frequency induction heating technology, rapid melting speed. English panel. Equipped with temperature testing system. Stainless steel water tank with loading frame. Melting process. Granulating process. After the metal melted, it falls down into the water tank. The water temperature of the tank is set to 40–50 degrees. The granulation effect is the best. The silver grains. If you are interested, welcome to contact us.